Welcome once again to the Hello Friends Yoga Life channel. Today we will know how many types of yoga are there. That's why watch this video in full. To apprehend the four most important roots of yoga and their importance, see briefly, Karma Yoga. It is additionally recognized in Western lifestyle as discipline of work. It is one of the four necessary components of yoga. It teaches to do any work besides enticing with selfless things to do and obligations and accept disturbing about fruit. This is the important lesson taught to a karma yogi. It is for these who are trying to find the non-secular direction and choose to meet with God. It can additionally be practiced in their ordinary lifestyles by means of performing their responsibility in an sincere manner barring disturbing about the outcome. It is the direction of non-secular development. Actually, what we do is motion and the end result is its reaction. A person's lifestyles is ruled with the aid of his karma chakra. If that man or woman has appropriate thoughts, accurate deeds and properly thinking, then he will stay a comfortable life, whereas if that man or woman has horrific thoughts, horrific deeds and horrific thinking, then he will stay an unhappy and hard life. It is very challenging to stay such a selfless lifestyles in brand new world. Because earlier than doing human actions, one begins disturbing about fruits. This is the cause why we are dealing with troubles like excessive stress, intellectual sickness, and depression. Karma Yoga receives rid of all materialistic paths and leads a comfortable and profitable life. Jnana Yoga. It is additionally acknowledged as Wisdom Yoga. It is a very hard and complex direction between all. It teaches a man or woman to merge with the internal self by working towards a variety of intellectual strategies by means of meditating with a deep moral sense and conducting self-questioning sessions. It teaches the individual to distinguish between an everlasting mindful and a brief materialistic world. This route teaches to stabilize the thought and feelings via focusing on 6 critical characteristics: peace, control, sacrifice, tolerance, belief and focus. It is really useful to exercise Jnana Yoga underneath the training of an able guru to gain the intention and do it in the high quality way. Bhakti Yoga. It is additionally as spiritual or Bhakti Yoga. It is related with divine love due to the fact it is the best course to non-secular enlightenment through love and devotion. In this yoga direction one sees God as the supreme expression and embodiment of love. Its foremost points are chanting the title of God, singing his praises or bhajans and attract